Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so when Tesla was at the peak here, I did tell you I was expecting a correction. My friends, they start laughing at me. And yeah, so is this... Yeah, let me just double check here. So now, is this done or we're going to go even lower? Because if this is the top of the third wave, this could have been just the A, this is overshooting wave B, and I just want to mention that this is an A, B, C. So it does make sense that this could be possibly, really possibly, a B wave, a high B wave. And now we're working to this C wave. And because Tesla is an ABC, A, B, C for the third wave, well, the fourth wave is allowed to go as low as the 0.618, $41. I know, look at the price, 322. Are you kidding me? I know. But can you imagine what a nice level entry price? Even if we go back to $63, everybody is going to think that this is the end and of bankruptcy, but then would be just a long-term pullback for a bigger fourth wave. Now, we will see, right? Because this could have been also a kind of messy A, B, C. We would have reached the minimum target for the fourth wave. And yeah, so this could have been the fourth wave. And now we're working into this fifth wave. And it is crazy, but this could have been already the finish, the top of the fifth wave here. Because we do have an A, a B. Let me check here. We don't have 5 waves yet. Because, let me check here. I would count this as a 1, this is a 2, oh, this is a 3. But I'm still missing the 4th and the 5th. So this is why I'm really considering that this is just the A, this is overshooting wave B, and we're doing the C currently. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to go to $40, because anyway, we went a little bit higher. So let me see here. Yeah, it's up to date. So 118, it would be the 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C. Okay, so this is the top of the B wave. Okay, we have a 1, 2, a 3. Actually, we do have a 4 and a 5. So this could be the end of this movement to the downside, but I would call that just the A, because our target is 118. It doesn't have to, but ideally that's where it would go. So this, I'm calling this for the moment a B wave. And let me double check. An A, a B, and a C, and then the C, we do have 5 way up for the moment. I would have loved to have a higher 5th wave to complete this B wave in red. Also, just want to double check here. 1, 2, 3. Because we have a diagonal, this 4th wave, and I'm sorry, now I'm looking at this scenario here where we have a 1, 2, this is the 3, and this is an A, B, C, and this would be just the 4th wave. And we're going to go lower for the 5th wave in yellow. And you can see that we did go a little bit higher than a 0.618, but we never really, oh man. I had my brush on. Seriously. Just wanted to move this little guy here. You can see that we went a little bit higher, but because it didn't stay for an extended period of time and it went back as SAP, I tend to leave it and still give it a chance for this fourth wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let me change the color because we have... and if this is the top of the B wave, so then this is now what's happening. I'm looking forward for a 1. Actually, we already had a 1, 2. But then after, I will need to see a third, a fourth, and a fifth wave. As you can see, I pre-labeled here. This is what we would see ideally if this movement really start going to the downside, make a new local low compared to the end of April. So we need to go a little bit, kind of a confirmation would be if price go below $214. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.